Here's a perfect picture of a four-legged friend who knows how to live life to the fullest. Hilarious and endearing scene as the dog struggles with the mess of its own mischievous antics. This adorable act unintentionally turns the dog into an endless source of entertainment for its owner.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
When a chicken's fighting instincts break all the boundaries, the cat has no choice but to retreat in defeat. Who needs a spa when you've got Kitty, the most dedicated massage therapist in the house? The baby is definitely loving every second. It's not about fitness, it's about the kitchen counter not knowing how to respect the majestic entrance of this chubby kitty. When the dog thinks the cat's face is its personal music sheet, it's a show that no one invited to.
Jock.
Jock, what are you doing? Jock.
This is no ordinary movement. It's a performance art on ice with the dog as the lead actor.
Armin.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh.
A dog's love for food is always their Achilles heel, and this pup is no exception.
Yeah, it's like a nightmare. It's just...
Though not a professional fighter, this dog's fiery spirit made for an unforgettable performance.
Duncan. Duncan. Duncan.
This isn't just a test of speed and agility. It's a battle to prove who's the true master of the house.
Want to smell banana?
What starts as a peaceful nap suddenly turns into an unexpected adventure. A calm moment instantly transforms into high drama.
Make a circle, make a circle.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
That is for sure.
These two cats are exploring how to turn a balloon into a thrilling toy. Anyone want to join in?
乌小狗，俩乌小孩。
In the elevator, the dog might be holding back emotions or just feeling uncomfortable with the company. It looks like the dog has discovered its natural talent for owning the stage.
He really loves America. Tell us how you feel.
The dog's enjoying an ice-cold surprise feast full of unexpected fun.
I'm trying to put it on you.
The cat's battle mode is activated by a tiny cucumber. Their reflexes and reactions are truly top-notch. The toy car is like it's trying to negotiate with a lazy king who couldn't care less about anything. When the cat's mischievous side gets exposed, it proves just how cunning and cute they really are.
I think we're gonna crush it. We just have to communicate.
This is clear proof that not only humans, but pets also know how to create drama. This shaking is basically a comedy show starring the dog and the poor innocent chair. Little buddy, try sneaking around or waiting for the right moment, instead of going head-to-head with the giants. It might think it's creating art by rearranging things in its own unique style.
Ow! Ow!
Kitty's expression clearly says, never stop because Kitty never gets bored.
You take it easy. I am.
In the world of pets, communication through actions is usually direct and to the point. This dog clearly has star potential, but sadly, the management just won't have it.